Porque no los dos? That's a little joke that we have in the office. Why not both? If you remember that taco commercial, are you picking hard or soft shell tacos? Now we use that same concept when people come up to us and go, I want an app. And they go, should I build Android or iOS first? Well, you know what? These days, that's not even a question. You can do both at the same time. Now, there are these technologies that allow you to write in one language and have it run on both Android and iOS at the same time. Now, these technologies can range from website type apps that get bundled into an app shell. So it's a website inside a little container that goes onto an app and runs. Or there's these other technologies like React Native, which let you write in one language and then it automatically compiles it or transforms it into iOS and Android native code and runs on those devices like you wrote on those devices independently. Now, the great thing about this is you're writing both apps at the same time. You're styling both apps at the same time. You're implementing the logic at the same time. So back in the day before these things were at that level that React Native is, and you could write in code that will compile to native code, you had to develop an iOS or Android app first, and then it would end up costing you about 70 to 80% more to do the second platform, because everything would have to be rewritten in another language that is very different to the original one. And you can only keep certain graphical elements, or the logic has been done in one, so you don't have to redo it in the other. And that's where that 20, maybe 30% saving would have come from. So when you're building an app and you're working on something, try go for one of these platforms like React Native, so you can build for iOS and Android at the same time and save your money and effort and your development team some headaches. Now, I'm saying React Native because that's the largest one at the moment and it's easy to understand what it does. It's built by Facebook and it's used inside Instagram, Uber Eats, Stripe, and some other apps, and they use it internally inside parts of the Facebook app as well. So if you do have, say, a native iOS or Android app, you can also add React Native components to it. And that's what Facebook did when they started React Native. They added it, replacing parts to the original Facebook app itself. So whether you're in the middle of development or starting from scratch, consider using one of these platforms to augment your current app, if that's the case, and start adding these new technologies to it and start reducing your development effort as you go. Now, don't forget to share this video with any startups or founders that are currently building an app, because this could save them a big headache in the long term or save them a fair bit of money coming up. And don't forget to like and comment below.